The resort is on the corner of the street going to Point Arena Lighthouse. And that's my next route this afternoon. And that's the street going to the lighthouse. This is where I'm planning to hike, going to the California Coastal National Monument. This is what I was not able to do last time. So I believe there's an access route somewhere here. It's a fine weather. I don't know how many miles or how far this hiking trail is down to the coast. Because I remember the first time we were here, I just walked past these trees and down to the embankment, but I did not reach. I think it's only halfway. I only walk halfway and then return to the resort. But this time I'm planning to go all the way to the coast. It's a nice fall weather. It's crisp, not too hot, not too cold, just pleasant breeze coming from the ocean. Perfect for walking. Uh, I don't see any cattle grazing this time of the year. So they're probably somewhere, but definitely there are signs of cattle poo on this trail. So they must have been here earlier this morning. This is probably a good half hour to an hour walk um, from this trail to the resort. Oh, it could be more than an hour, depending on how fast you walk. But definitely the trail is easy. It's flat all the way. So this is a nice trail going down, then up through those trees. And it's probably a good half mile that I've already walked from the resort. So this is probably, I was guessing, this could be more than a mile one way trail. Could be 1 to 2 miles. I don't see any signs. Yeah, it looks like it's more than a mile now from the gate at this point. Something like 1.5 miles. From this point is a compacted dirt trail. Looks like there's a government installation at the end of that paved trail that is gated. So I don't know how many more miles from that point to get to the coast. Oh, finally, I saw a sign here. Oh, it just says keep pets on leash. Doesn't say how far. Oh, that must be the government installation facilities out there because there's a lock gate and it's not only authorized people are allowed to enter. That's why they sent the trail this way. And now I can see all the grazing cattle here. They are huge cattle. And I'm getting close to the coast. On the horizon is Point Arena. There are birds enjoying their bath on that little pool of water. On the edges of these rock formations. It's incredible how nature can create such beauty or such sculptures on those rocks. And this is one of those sea caves that the might of the waves and the water can create along the coast. I'm afraid to get any closer to the edge to see the whole view of the sea cave, but I'm already standing closest to the edge. The ocean is calm. There's no big waves. Oh, there's a gust of wind coming from this hole. So this must be connected all the way to the coast. That's why there's a sign. Danger, you might get into that hole. Wow, this is incredible. Looks like nature continues to curve these rocks. Looks like there's a tunnel, sea cave tunnel, farther there on that rock. And I'm standing here on one of the edges of this formation. And this is a work in progress, I guess. Okay. Oh, this is quite a place. This is definitely worth hiking for, this view of this Point Arena, Stornetta. This is a massive sea cave. Just standing on the edge of this makes me real nervous. Now I have to get back up. Yes. This is a herd of cattle with older ones and young ones. Here earlier. I hope it doesn't rain. It looks dark on the horizon. I still have to go through that incline. Almost to the level of the trail. I think this is the last stretch of the incline. It is a good 3 hours hiking exploration, taking this access route from the resort. I could still see the cows on the horizon grazing. It's almost there. Getting close to the gate and to the resort area. Make sure that you follow the sign, because the cattle are all over the place. Arrive at the resort.